come today in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to hide developer options on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and scroll down to the developer options section. So if you get the activated developer options, you will get here this section. So now just tap there, and here near the developer options you can see the switcher, and the switcher is turned on. And just to hide the developer options and to turn them on off, tap here once on the switcher, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.